We are delighted to present the Open Space Repository of high-value open data from Earth and space observations, mainly obtained using terrestrial devices. Observations of the Sun, ionosphere observations and space weather data. The results of almost half a century of laser observations of satellites and space debris. Gravimetric data obtained from the observatory in Książ. Documentation of unique space devices designed and manufactured at the Space Research Center of the Polish Academy of Sciences. Scientific publications of our employees. Measurement data from the first Polish bright scientific satellites, LEM and Heveliusz. Data obtained from the Polish space instruments. All the data has been digitized and placed on an online platform, making it now freely available to everyone. The Space Research Center of the Polish Academy of Sciences is an institution that combines the best traditions of Polish space research with modernity and technological innovation. It is where the first Polish instruments for space research were created, the first scientific satellites were developed, and extensive research of our planet from circumterrestrial space began. The Space Research Center of the Polish Academy of Sciences consists of 4 branches. Warsaw Headquarters, Satellite Robotics and Space Electronics Laboratories, the main workplace for Earth observation, ionosphere, Mars exploration, heliogeophysical forecasting teams. The Planetary Geodesy team supervises the branch in Borowiec and the devices located underground in the Książ Castle. Modern engineering infrastructure. Clean room with 2 thermal vacuum chambers. A granite table for simulating microgravity conditions. Ionosonde. Astrogeodynamic Observatory in Borowiec near Poznań. A unique laser station measuring distances to Earth's artificial satellites. Time Laboratory, housing the world's most precise clocks, including the cesium fountain. One of the 3 Polish stations of the Great European LOFAR Radio Telescope. Solar Physics Division in Wrocław. Continuous research on the Sun carried out for over half a century. Participation in the most important solar missions in recent years, including the analysis of data from the STIX X-ray telescope developed by our engineers for the modern Solar Orbiter probe. Space Robot Dynamics Laboratory in Zielona Góra. Advanced work on space device control. Participation in the newly created Space Technology Park in Lubusz Voivodeship. All of this showcases the large cross-section of space research conducted in Polish institutions.
Over the course of nearly 50 years of continuous activity, CBK PAN has participated in over 80 international space missions, including the most groundbreaking endeavors such as Rosetta, the first landing on a comet nucleus.
The Herschel Space Observatory, which aimed to study the formation of galaxies in the early universe. Cassini-Huygens, study of Saturn and its moon Titan. Mars Express and Trace Gas Orbiter ExoMars, Martian orbiters. Bepi-Colombo, a mission aimed at Mercury. Solar Orbiter, a probe whose aim is to explore the poles of the Sun. JUICE, the largest probe of the European Space Agency ESA, the aim of which is to study the icy moons of Jupiter. The Space Research Center of the Polish Academy of Sciences is also involved in other major projects, including the ESA Proba 3 technological mission, which tests the possibility of flying in precise formation. The Aerial Space Observatory. The Comet Interceptor for studying a comet from outside the solar system. And the NASA Heliospheric Mission, IMAP, for which our own GLOWS instrument is being prepared, among many others.
Scientists and engineers of CBK PAN are actively engaged in projects undertaken by Polish entities.
such as the construction of the Eagle Eye satellites and the Piast satellite constellation.
CBK PAN comprises a team of over 200 scientists, engineers and qualified specialists in space research and exploration.
It serves as a vital training ground for personnel in the Polish space industry. With almost 50 years of tradition, we confidently reach into the future. Reach further with us.
The Open Space Repository provides open access to high-value data obtained by CBK PAN scientists primarily using ground-based devices. From now on, you can browse and download the scientific resources of our institute and reuse them.